Look, how many outfits, TVs, shoes, and wigs do you actually need? Tell me, do you have anything of real value? Like what? Houses, investments, bonds, stocks. Start ignoring what you've been taught. It's time to stop blaming everybody else because you broke. Generational wealth can be just as prevalent in your life as them generational curses you've been dragging along. Like my Aunt Rubbie book says, get a hold of your darn finances.
Sitting at your job, looking at your check, wondering just how you gon' pay the rent, wondering just how you gon' pay utilities after ditching all your responsibilities. Now you're living off your credit cards, trying to survive, lying to yourself, saying you gon' be just fine. Shaking it, faking it, pretending like you're making it, but you're still broke. Now you asking yourself what you gon' do, who you wanna be, what you trying to see, what's your destiny, what you gon' do, who you wanna be, what's your destiny. Get a hold of your
Spending money like it's growing on trees, but behind closed doors you on bended knees. Why you walk around like you ballin'? Don't you hear your destiny is calling? When you houses, stocks, and bonds, spending all your money at Amazon. When you die, what you gonna leave for your babies? A bunch of woulda, coulda, shouldas, and maybes? I'm sick of y'all talking about the man when all you gotta do is get a hold of your darn finances.
Get a hold of your finances. Stack it up and watch your money grow. Get a hold of your finances. Don't you wanna be in full control? Get a hold of your finances. Stack it up and watch your money grow. Get a hold of your finances. Don't you wanna be in full control?